Hey, this is Marty, your unofficial IT guy here. What I'm going to show you today is basically how to take a LaCie D2 Quadro drive and use the button on the front in order to do an automated backup using Time Machine. If you are familiar with the LaCie drives that have the button on the front, you can map them to any application or file located on your Mac. So I'm going to show you the application that I made using an Apple script and how to do it yourself. So follow along at home. Let's take a look at my setup here. I got a MacBook Pro and the LaCie D2 Quadro drive here with the shiny blue button on the front. And we are going to get this to do an automated backup. I've got my Time Machine backup drive plugged in here called McFly, and Time Machine in the toolbar. If we can get that to, there we go. So first step that we're going to do is to go to our applications folder, and should have a folder in there called Apple Script. It's going to go here. You should have a script editor. We'll just pop that up. Here is our Apple Script editor. We're just going to hit paste in here. I already got it typed out for you. Basically, you're going to enter in do shell script quote system / library / core services / backup d.bundle / content / resources / backup d-helper space ampersand end quote. We're just going to do a run here. See that it is running at the top here. Spinning around and around and around as it makes its backup. So you know that the Apple script is working. It's going to finish its backup. It shouldn't be too long here. Show that it's almost done. There it is. So now, in our script editor, we can go to File, go to Save As, and on the drop down, basically you're going to give it a name. I called mine Time Machine Now. Save it to the Applications folder. Under the file format, choose Application, and it will actually save it as an application. Hit Save and let it finish. I've already prepared my application here, so I'm just going to go to my application, back to the Applications folder here, and we'll look at Time Machine and Time Machine Now. Basically, I pulled for Time Machine Now's icon, I just pulled the Time Machine icon and just adjusted the color on there so that it shows up as a purple. And so if we launch Time Machine Now, it's going to make another backup. So what we do in order to map it to the front panel on the LaCie drive is we go down to System Preferences here, and the LaCie drive comes with this free software called LaCie Shortcut button. I'm just going to click that. It's going to bring up our interface here, and for the button action, there is no action down here at the bottom. Their default EMC Retrospect Express application launch, or you can do your own by hitting choose, and then from the menu just choose the Time Machine Now button. Let's see. hit open. So now we have the Time Machine Now in there. So, we go over to the drive, hit the button on the front. It's going to start blinking. We'll look at the top. And couldn't see it, but it did launch our Time Machine Now application, makes a backup, and closes out once it finishes backup. And that is how to make the front button launch a Time Machine backup.